He's my baby. Now you coming over, huh? You want? Alright. That's all I want. Come over here. Come over here. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. You were rolling in the grass. I didn't give you a bath. I wonder if I can lift you into the tub yet. Maybe. Give you a nice bath with coconut. No coconut stuff that I got for you. Oh, we're just having a little chill outside in the shade, in the trees. We are right here in the shade. And there is a bit of a breeze off and on. So we're still waiting for Sandra. She's waiting for Sandra. She likes Sandra. She likes people. She was just going in to get her coffee, her iced coffee. I went in to get watermelon cut, and then I ate some watermelon, and I was gonna bring some out, but once it comes out, I'll bring some out. Shelly had a couple pieces. She liked the watermelon. Did you like the watermelon? Yum yum. She did the watermelon. She loved watermelon. She loved watermelon, don't you, baby? Hmm? Selby, you love watermelon? Tell mom. You like watermelon? Yep. You like watermelon? I know what you do like. I know what you do like. Oh, food. I only got one. I want to use them later when I make you walk inside because when it's a little bit hot outside and walking through the sunshine, it's going to take you a minute. So we're going to try to do it quickly. All right. She's like, stop. You're not. As soon as I stop petting her, right? She was like, and now she's not doing it. She was like pushing my hand to touch her again. You just want to be petted all the time. You just want to be petted all the time. You big sucky. You big sucky. Shelby big sucky. You're my sucky. Hmm? How's your see nails? The lady gonna come soon. Get your nails done again. The back ones are nice. The back ones are nice and short. Let's see this one. Let's see your foot. Let's see. Oh, that one's nice and short. This one is one. There's one that's longer. That one right there. That one's longer. She did that. She like pet me. Oh, you don't never get sick of petting me, huh? You never get sick of pettings. You wanna go inside? You ready to go inside? You ready to go inside? Okay, let's go inside. Let's go. Let's go inside. Because I think you're getting too hot out here. It's too hot still. Thought it was more breezier. You got a bump on your neck. You got a bump on your neck. It's my girl. It's my girl.